In this video, I'm going to leave the original sound on. I'm just trying to give you a scope of how many cars are in this building. And right now, some of them are parked outside the building. See these big doors? They pop open hydraulically. It's so cool. There's so many awesome vehicles in here. Look at this lowrider. So cool. So many cool vehicles. No way to see them all. Could spend all day here. This truck is so nice. I mean, it is super nice. Look at the inside of this thing. Dang. Whoever redid this Jeep, man, they did an awesome job. I've got a video of this Jeep already. This is a clean Jeep. I mean, they did this Jeep. It looks brand new, literally. If I owned a Chevelle, look at this. Oh my gosh. This is so cool of a car. Now I'm gonna take you down Corvette Row. Corvette. Corvette. There's so many Corvettes. I think I counted like 30 of them one day. And there's more than on just this row. Corvette. That's a cool green. I love this one right here. That's nice. I like that body. Corvette. 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 Let's see if I can spot any more. Look at all these Camaros. Holy cow, look at this red one. Oh man. 55. This thing is, man, look at that. I would drive it for sure. Dang, that's nice. Super Sport. Dang. Getting this car out in the sunlight. Oh man, I bet it glows. And there's a convertible. Mustang. Who wouldn't drive a convertible Malibu? Oh my gosh, that's awesome. Look at this GTO. That's a cool color. Look at that giant motor. 454.
Based on the time commitment. But like I say, I do have
This paint is so cool. This orange, you can't tell in this light, but I think there's some gold flake in it or something. I would love to get that out in the sunlight. Matter of fact, I might jump in it in a little bit and just do just that. I would love this car too. Look at this Nomad. Holy cow. And how would you like this for your daily driver? Look at that roll cage in this thing. This thing's ready to go. Take that to the grocery store. Park it next to your Nomad. God, I love these. That's our salesman in the background, Shane. You can hear him talking to people. Look at that car. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love this one. This paint color, Goblin Green. It's got some ghost flames in the clear coat. You can see it a little bit. This car's so nice. I think it's only 50 grand. I wish I had 50 grand. I would love that thing. That is so freaking cool. Yeah, it's got a V8. I'll show you that V8. Look at that thing. That's a piece of art. '55, '57, '56, they're all here. Look at this car. I can't even fit it in the camera. Let's see how far back I can go. Okay. That's a big ass Cadillac. I'll show you the interior on this thing. Coupe de Ville. Look at this Coupe de Ville. There's where they do repairs and stuff like that. There's the sales office and office. And then this is the warehouse. These 4 giant doors. And then there's cars parked all around. Look at this Mustang. Look at that car. Who wants to take that car for a spin? That is so nice. So nice. Damn, look at that red. I love that red right there. Camaro row. Look how many Camaros are on this row. Holy cow. Oh, one Pontiac. It's almost like a Camaro. Look at this car. Isn't that sick? This thing looks so mean. I mean, that is tough looking. This is the year Chevelle I like right here. I'm not a big maroon fan, but I'd drive that sucker for sure. Look at this black beauty. I mean, that is a beautiful car. Look at that pearl. You can't see it very good in this, but that's pearl white. This car is so nice. Ford Bronco. These are so cool. You know what I haven't seen in here yet is a K5 Blazer. Could you imagine this being your farm truck? This is so nice. Get in this truck and go. That's a nice truck. Did you hear how solid that shut? Oh, oh man, this one's my favorite one here. Favorite truck in a way. That paint is so nice, and I wish it wasn't so dark in this room. But this truck, the paint on this truck is like amazing. The interior, I love this brown. Let me step back and let you get a look at it. It's like super fine leather. Maybe vinyl, I don't know. Probably not. I don't know. Don't get me to lying on it. All I know is it looks so nice. So nice. Nice wheels. Solid motor. This paint glows.
See you guys later.
Who wants to take a ride back down Corvette Row? I still haven't even hit that corner over there. Alright, we'll zigzag through here. We'll walk by Corvette Row a little bit. Get these other cars in the video. We got some newer vehicles. One of the guys just told me this big old tall truck over here is really badass. Holy cow, look at this thing. You can invade an army with this thing. What is it? I don't even know what this is. Let's see what this says. It says, I think that's Russian or something. What is this thing? Whatever it is, it costs $36,000. And it's I don't know what. Who can tell me? All right? You guys tell me what that is. That is cool. Look at that license plate. It's got to be from somewhere else. Okay, so they tell me that this truck is bad to the bone. It does look pretty good. Oh, that's nice. Look at that light comes on just like it should. Holy cow.
That's the truck I was talking about, but you need a step ladder to get in.
Yeah, you do. That's a nice looking truck. Solid. I had a few trucks similar to this in my day. That is a nice looking truck. Very nice. Ford. Look at there. There's a Jaguar. El Camino. Oh, Lakuta. Another El Camino. Trans Am. That's a nice little Mustang. Look at this Camaro. Someone from the University of Texas needs to buy this thing. That would be perfect to drive around on UT campus. That's the car. Look at that. I made a video of this car. Isn't that cool? So many cool cars. I would even drive this Bentley if I don't say so myself. Look at this thing. That's pretty luxurious. Dang, there's so many cars in here. What do you think about these pickup trucks? Got a couple of them. Okay, I'm gonna try to keep this video under 20 minutes. Let's see if I can do it. We're almost there. Look at this one. Man, I just get so distracted by these badass cars. It's kind of got some purple sheen to this paint. Nice one. If you guys want a video of any of these cars, if it's still here when you let me know. I mean, look at this thing. I did a video of this car already. This is a beast. This car is so awesome. I mean, this car is really awesome. It's a 56. I'll come show you again a little bit about that one. Holy cow. But anyway, if any of you guys want a video of any of these cars, go to the website skywayclassics.com, and every one of these cars has a full detail video. Or leave me a message and I'll come make you a video of whatever you want. Isn't that cool? Shop over there. Office is there. Lots of cool cars. Lots. All right. Life is good. Y'all have a great day.